So on today's vlog, I am going to be showing you the Green Planet Dubai. It's a fun place where there are a variety of animals and birds and a lot of things that you can show your kids. It's very interesting for kids. So if you're a mother and you're visiting Dubai, or if you are in Dubai, you can bring your kids here to the Green Planet Dubai. It's very fun and interesting, so I wanted to take Farhan here today. But we got here, we found a place to park, and he was hungry, so he's snacking on wafer. And he has literally destroyed his clothes, so I'm just waiting for him to finish eating so I can change him. Thank God we have a change of clothes, so I'll change him into this and then we'll go in. I'll just show you guys where we're seated from the car. Hold on. So that's the Green Planet. It's at City Walk Dubai, and I'm just seated in the car. That's the Green Planet, and we'll go in from here. He's done, and we are just changing into his new top. Fun fact, mamas, always carry a change of clothes when you have toddlers. Always carry a change of clothes. You never know when it will save you. You never know. Look at him. Yep, so we're all done. Our hand is ready, and let's go in. See you inside. Oh, it's so smooth. Oh my god, it's not poisonous?
No, they're not venomous.
They're not venomous. Oh, Farhan, you want to touch? Yay! Yeah? Happy? Yeah. Happy? Happy? Hey! Hello.
Yes.
They probably wouldn't because they would eat all our fruit.
Yes, but they clean up
Oh.
in the rainforest. A fruit drops before it decays. It's been cleaned. They clean. Yes, they have a
So they
special
keep the
role.
rainforest clean.
Yes, they do the decomposition process, the cleaning up.
Oh.
Right.
I'll have one to go.
Exactly, so you
But
can
some
keep your
people-
house
I'll make
clean.
it at home.
Just sanitize there, then we continue.
Yeah.
Yes. Some people take it for a meal.
Oh, some people eat it. that's it, guys. Thank you for coming on this adventure with me. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be visiting and what you enjoyed watching the most. Let me know all of that. Thank you for watching, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much. The next one. Bye.